Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block all wallet operations using the Nash wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Nash app, then you should go to the settings menu, and at the settings menu, which is in the bottom right corner, you just have to go to the profile and security section and tap on the security, and here you will see the fourth option. Here is going to be the block all wallet operations. So if you turn this switch on, you will block transfers to external wallets, token swaps, trading wallet withdrawals, deposits, gas claims, or NAX stakes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.